Okay, I'm going to show you how to toggle on the bold of a caption, how to switch it on off when I click on a specific button. So I'm going to click on this button, then I'm going to switch the bold on for this caption, and when I click on it again, I'm going to switch the bold off for that specific caption. Okay, so on click, I'm going to say button 1 dot font dot style, square brackets, font style bold. So when I click on this button now, it's going to set that caption or that font to bold over there. Now I'm going to add to coding for when I click on the button again, I want to switch the bold off. Okay, so what I'm going to use is I'm going to make a, don't really need a global variable, so let's make a, yeah, I'm going to use a global variable, be bold, and it's going to be a boolean. So when the form creates, I'm going to set be bold to, let's say, something like true. Then I'm going to test if be bold is equals to true, I want to set the bold on, and I want to switch be bold to false. Else. Okay, so else, if bold is false, I want to remove the bold feature, and I want to set be bold to true. Okay, so it's going to start off be bold is true, go on, be bold, it's going to test when I click on a button, be bold is going to be true, then it's going to make that font style blue, bold, and it's going to change the property or the variable, the value of this be bold to false. And when I click on it for the second time, be bold is going to be false, so it's not going to do this part over here. It's going to do the else part. It's going to go here, it's going to say be font style, and it's going to remove the bold feature, and then it's going to make be bold true, so it's going to rotate between true and false every time. Okay, so let's test that quickly. So at the moment there's no bold on. When I click on it, the font style will be bold. Now when I click on it again, it will go off. So it's bold on, bold off. So you can basically toggle it on and off with this button. Okay, there's also more font styles that you can switch on and off here. It's not only the bold that you can do it. You can do it with underline or strike through, settings like that as well. Check here. But for this example, I'm only setting font style bold on and off.